starting up my cooking vlog in Walmart. We getting the stuff so we can make our meal. Here's the spinach. We're making spinach pasta with chicken. So we're in Walmart right now. There are no small ones? That's the spinach. Guess we're gonna have to choose. But they did use a lot, I guess. There's no other smaller stuff. Unless they're not putting none in there now. Alright, skip the spinach then. How many peppers though?
Just one. And then
one yellow pepper? And one red?
Bag, yeah.
There's a bag right there.
No, like
with the mix? I guess not.
Oh, this is peppers.
Yes, sweet green peppers.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yes. A pumpkin this.
You know what we'll do next time? Stuffed peppers. With cheese and everything. That would be delicious.
Yeah, that would be nice. Alright, bless. Okay, garlic powder.
What size do you want?
So we have the parsleys at home. That's that. We need garlic powder. We need. But there's no garlic powder. I don't see any garlic.
No, there's none. Black pepper, brown mustard.
Oh, there's garlic powder.
Where?
What?
Where?
So they want me to spend my entire life.
Where's the God? Why you see garlic powder? Oh, that biggie? There must be some small. That one is seasoning as?
Is this the only seasoning?
Just to ask the same person. We can't like.
This is the only, like, there's no way.
This is the big size. This is the only garlic.
What else you find on the thing?
Give me the paper.
Garlic powder.
Cayenne. Ooh, I heard this is good. The Mexicans love these. I heard this is really good. Cayenne, just the cayenne oil. I'll go.
1 teaspoon of Montreal chicken. I have that at home.
Oh, so cayenne pepper here.
How much is that? Okay, put that in there. We'll get this chicken breast. We have to get garlic powder. We got that. Cayenne, Montreal chicken we have dried. Salt and pepper we have at home. So we just need avocado pepper. Avocado
Oil and then the chicken breast. Yo, is this cut for me? You know, like, it just make me nice. So you want to do this one instead? This is $12.
Yeah.
We in Walmart at 10 something at night. Avocado oil. Let me see. You have this for $7.97. You have that's $6.97. So we put in back the chosen brand. It's literally tell you that like you should choose this. One thing with Jamaican people, the food ever well seasoned, well spicy, delicious. Yo, this onions on my eye. Like, the tears are coming, fam. This is a TikTok dance I've been learning. It goes, it'll be like, bam, bam, bam. Right, again.
You're embarrassing yourself on top of it too. Please.
Yeah, I've been trying to study the dance like 2 days.
Here you add the regular seasoning you would add if you're seasoning for chicken, you know, the onions, chicken seasoning, steak seasoning.
This is what you do when you're going on the pot to boil up. I ain't never been with that body. Listen, instead of having to do the TikTok video, it's gonna look way better. That look good. That look like girl that dance. Girl that dance from show one.
So I added butter in a pot of water, waiting on it to boil. Then I'm gonna add in the noodles.
In the pot, we got the chicken here.
No, we just turn it because they said to make it fry to a certain whatever. Let it get to a certain. I can't tell.
This too spicy for me.
So now we're working on the sauce for the pasta. So we added the butter, more onions, sweet green peppers and red peppers. We're gonna add in the half and half milk soon, which is 1.5 cup. We add the basil leaf. We had the braised hot pepper sauce. We had the same seasoning that we added on the chicken, which can be any seasoning that you have, like chicken seasoning and all that. We added in the baby spinach, and now we're gonna combine everything with the chicken, the sauce, and everything in the one pot with pasta. Guys, so I just want to give an update on how the pasta was. So the pasta was actually good. It was really delicious. For the first time making it, it was really nice. The only thing is that we added too much pasta, so you found that like the pasta was overpouring the sauce a little bit. So for next time, you know, don't use an entire bag of pasta. But it tastes so good. Like that chicken was just like spicy and nice. So I'm gonna put the ingredients down below for those who are interested in making it. And I hope you enjoyed this nice little cooking video. You guys did say y'all want to see me in the kitchen, so I showed you guys. Also comment down below what else you want to see. You can even reach out to me on social media. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. I love you guys. Bye.